previously seen. You had to stand still to the ball joints come. Ball joints and axles. There's Logan over there banging on the car. Stop! We got this AC compressor. I'm gonna show y'all it's leaking. Probably can't hear the sound no more. Still hear it. But it's a leak on the compressor, the back side of the seal. That's where all that green UV is coming out at. But yeah, about to go ahead and get that off and get the dryer off. Replace both of those. This filter didn't come with the adapters for it to make it flush fit, but I think I got one because a bunch of them came with the one I put on the golden rule. So I'm just try some adapters and see if I can get the exact size on it. I don't know how they said it for this truck, but the filter like literally don't fit. Got all the rest of the pieces. Literally no more adapters, nothing. So something I gotta figure out. This piece is for the cold air intake, came with everything but the 2 screws down here, and then the factory ones didn't have any. Matter of fact, these just might be it. Yep. Never mind with that. Didn't even notice. So I should have another bolt in here then. Well, around here somewhere I should have another bolt. Just like that. Unless it's just one. Nah, it's 2 nuts, so it should be 2 bolts. So I'll find that. Or buy another one. Yeah, so this adapter does not work. Doesn't even fit in the filter. It fits on it, but it don't fit in it. So, I mean, I tried all the finessing and finagling that I could. Just couldn't get it like in there. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see what I can do. I may be able to cut this inside ring off and then put it on here and then put it on there. But I was trying to not do that. But we'll see. We'll see. But these 2 holes line up with those 2 holes. And yeah, that's how we do that. But it's just 4 13 mil bolts and this 115, and this can come off. So I'm about to push her out because Free Young gonna come out, and I don't want her in here. But yeah, so 1 2 3 4, and then you got a connection here, connection there, and it should be like one more in the back, I believe, just like the one on my fan. Yeah, so you got one more back there. Take all those off, and compressor is yours. So, gotta get the new one on right now. Yeah, got it leaking out real slow. So while that's working, I'm about to start getting the rest of the carpet out so I can get the good sound deadener in this floor. It's just a couple bolts here, bolts for the seat. But I think I'm just gonna roll this front back. Y'all see, it's real simple. You can literally lay it right down. Wow, what?
Why you taking that off?
So I can put some stuff on the floor. So I'm gonna roll it back, get what I can, and then when I take the back seat out, roll it forward. Meet with the other side. Free Young came out. All that was left because it wasn't a lot. It literally went quite quick, way quicker than I expected. All right, let's check them O-rings out. They both look okay, but they came with some new ones, so we're gonna change them out anyway. All right, literally just pick this boy up and this out. Let's get it. All right, put the new one in. Make sure got some new O-rings for it. Alright, look. There we go. Alright, let me get these pieces on. Alright, the green ones, the new ones, y'all can see they have a little depth on both sides. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it. And then OEM smashed real good. So, no, we definitely going with the new ones. Just try to show y'all what the new ones and the old ones look like. So, let's go ahead and get it on. I was gonna get this specific tool. I forgot, like, well, I didn't forget. I didn't think that I ever have to use this over here, but I did. So, I gotta flip it around. Hold on. All right. Yeah, I had to modify it, but it's ready. So, oh man, I hate this thing. All right, so the way it works, these, you put these in the teeth and squeeze, and you'll be able to get this O-ring out. Locking ring, like such. Hold on. Hope it don't break. This is the only one I could find. Golly. Hold on, let me put this together. Alright, so I ended up getting it out. O-ring is already fresh, so you're just gonna transfer this same piece over to him, over to here, the new one. This one should be easier.
Hi.
Yeah, knew it will be.
Hi.
It's always like that.
Say hi. Say hi.
Can't use no pliers with this.
Say hi.
So you just gotta keep playing with it, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Say hi.
Get it in there. Once you get it in there, just use the same tight lock ring that came with it. Get it back in there. All right, got the new one in. So now we set. We set. All right. So get our two O-rings on. Bolt this boy up. All right, new compressor on. Now we can work on getting the dryer changed. So I'm gonna need some adjustable pliers and move this cold air out the way. All right, got all that taken care of. Old one down now. Wrap this up, put this cover piece back on. So next, I don't know what I'm jumping on next. I gotta see what all parts left. I need to put some oil in the air compressor. You gotta stay lubed. I can start the negative. Damn, I need some terminals. God damn. Let the owner know. But I'm trying to see how I'm gonna run it, cause the heater core and all that is on this side, so kind of have no choice but to run it all over there. So trying to see where the fuse holder can go. That'll look clean. I need to get this in here first so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So give me a second. Back on the Tahoe doing some audio stuff, man. Y'all see the GP sheets. So whole floor is getting done at it. Got a 1-inch hole saw. I'm all over the place today, man. I'm doing a lot of just strictly audio stuff. So 1-inch hole saw for the firewall and the back for the grounds. These gonna be the big old sky high audio grommets. Crimping some cables. Hydraulic crimping tool. I wonder if I can use this same tool to make AC holes. We'll find out real soon. So 2 runs of 2-0. Big spool with some heat shrinks. So second alternator, ground wire is done. Let me cut the light on. All right, ground wire is done, as y'all can see. So these 2 grounds for that. I got 1 more ground over here for the block, the engine block that I did a long time ago. It's down there. Probably can't see it. Yeah, it's down there. This tissue is gonna have to be changed. I actually forgot. So I'll make sure I put that in my notes today. I actually start putting everything in my notes, man, because I'm tired of forgetting. It's gonna cost me one day. Steve Meade 4-post fuel holder. Fuse holder. So we're going straight across. I was trying to see how I can route it and make it look all cool, but it'll look crazy when I put the shroud back on, if I run it around there, or if I run it to the back and back up and then back. It's gonna look weird, so I feel like it would be the best, cleanest look if I could go straight across. So straight across, possibly up, add more wire later. So just got the 4-post up here. I had originally planned on putting a two fuse holder, a dual A&L fuse holder right here. So let's put the 4 right there, just for future upgrades. I was going to do bus bars. The customer said nope, make it fancy. So we ordered these dual inputs for the alternator in ground, dual inputs for the amps right there. But yeah, so I'm on my lunch break, man. I'm just actually trying to get like a lot of everything done. Driveline just went to the shop. I don't know which video it'll be out, but y'all just keep y'all eyes open. But this is gonna be some bass, man. Hopefully we can get a bass test tonight. Should be able to, once I get off work, to put in at least 4 hours. So it should be enough to get the amp wired up and then get some sound going. Can't wait till tomorrow though. Once we get these ball joints in, then we'll be rolling. Yeah, man. I'm just trying to get it on. I can't really record too much now because it's crunch time. I got 18 days to try to finish. So yeah, pray for me.